I told you you've been eating Oreo cookies? Yes, wrong. Your entire life. These little delicious goodness packed in here, you've been eating them wrong your entire life. This is what we typically do. We put our Oreos that we're gonna eat. By the way, a serving is 2 cookies. It just seems so little. Thumbs up if you can agree with that one. Grab your milk. I'm just trying out this oat milk here. I'm not totally convinced, but I like to try a little bit of everything. You put your milk in there because you know ooh, that's nice and creamy. Because you know the cookies taste oh so delicious when you do a little dunking like that, right? And then you go ahead and you take a bite. By the way, have any of you ever had oat milk? It tastes oaty. Well, what happens, look at my fingers. Look at this right here. And then you're getting down in here and you're taking your last little bite. Yep, take a bite. Now you got like this thing going on where you're getting all in there. It's getting underneath my fingernails, but the cookie is so stinking good. By the way, did you know that you inspire me to live authentically every single day? There's a place for you in this world. Can you see up all under there? Yeah, fingers, and you gotta go wash your hands. Not anymore, my friend. Grab yourself a fork. Stick it in the cookie, like so. And then you have a fancy dunker all the way down, and then you can even tap it really nicely, all the way down to the bottom of that cookie. If you wanted to dip it in some peanut butter, you could do that. If you wanted to dip it in some Nutella. Good to the very last bite. Dang, those are good. This will be a game changer for you when it comes to eating those Oreos. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.